Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm going to show you how you're going to clean and restore your indicator shifter light over here. And for this task over here, I'm going to guide you through the steps and what you're going to need to do this. So here you go. You need one microfiber towel. You need the Plasti Deep, which is Plasti X over here for the glass that restores the faded and oxidized plastic and glass. And at the same time, you're also gonna need some tape over here to cover and protect your Shimano housing that I have over here. And that's pretty much everything. So let me get into it right now, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna be doing. So for this task over here, you wanna mask out the unit over here with some tape that I have done over here. And this is the one that I'm gonna be performing. There's one on the other side. But for now, we will just do this one. So what I have over here, I'm gonna just take you over here through and look over here. This thing is called Plasti X from McGuire's, and it says clear plastic cleaner and polish. Removes fine scratches, cloudiness, stubborn oxidation. This is what you're gonna need. A lot of videos over there are telling you that you need to sand this thing. You gotta polish it, whatnot. This is gonna be the easiest thing how you can get these crisp and nice without putting much effort into it. So here we go. We're gonna do just a drop here. So look over here. I'm gonna just show you the drop. This is what you're gonna need. You don't need anything more than that. So you have the thing over here, you see? And this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna take this microfiber towel, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just rub it in. Okay, now let this thing spread all over. See what I'm doing? This is gonna spread all over. And what's gonna happen, it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. The longer you do, the better. The longer you do, the better. So this is what's coming off, you see? Okay, so let's continue a little more. Now I'm gonna flip over here the microfiber towel. I'm gonna just flip over here, and I'm gonna inspect my results. And look what am I dealing over there. Look at the beauty. I think that looks amazing. You see what I'm talking about? Love it. Now what I'm gonna do over here, since I flipped the microfiber towel, I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna just go like this on the other side to clean it. Okay, now let's see what's happening. Oh boy, that looks beautiful. Now, since you put all that work into it, what we're gonna do over here, I've got some polish here. You see, I've got some polish from McGuire's. So what I will do over here, I'm gonna put the microfiber towel right there. And like I said earlier, just do the drop. So here we're gonna just do the drop. See, I have two tiny drops over there, and this is what you're gonna be dealing with. And again, just same like before, this is gonna protect, and this is gonna get that glare to stay on for quite some time to come. So let's see what is happening here. Just wanna see the difference. How we started, and how we're gonna end. There we go. Okay, now, let's flip the towel again to let this thing buff off. Now keep in mind, you don't have to wait for this thing to haze. It's just a nice polish. And now, after wiping it off, let's see the results. Oh boy, that thing looks amazing. Now, what I also like to do when I'm over here already, I like to get this tape off over here. It's just the tape that I put to protect over there. And you can also use like a drop over here of I've got some coconut oil here. Just a drop. And what that will do, it will restore this black plastic that you have here, which will complete that look over here. And if it will look like you got the brand new housing over there. Now keep in mind, you can do this more often. The longer, the better results you get. But that's pretty much that. I hope you found this useful. I'm gonna just show you here how the results are. And this is it. Subscribe to my channel, like, and over here is the like button and subscribe. And at the same time to the right, you have more videos that I do on the bikes. Hope you found this useful. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.